After 17 hours, I am waking up to this print. So here's the print. I am putting all the technical details into this. So I will know that the door is going to close correctly. So this is a part of the passenger side sill. The door will close here. This is a section. Well, I am not building the entire exterior and then cutting the door out. I have all of the math data into the files where I have, this is a 10 millimeter offset, and the door skin is going to have what, 2.5, and in between, that's going to be the tolerance. So here, this is the weather seal, where the weather seal is going to mate to the inside of the door. And after everything is assembled together, a fiberglass mold will be pulled from this. So this is a side sill.